Hey guys, I'm Rishabh. Welcome to SobeRish. So today I'm going to be making a Tequila Sunrise.
Tequila Sunrise.
So Tequila Sunrise is a very simple cocktail and you don't even need a shaker for that. So did you guys know that tequila is made from the agave plant and it can only be made in certain designated parts of Mexico. And Mexico has the exclusive right to the name tequila. So let's get started on this. First take a glass, fill it with ice as usual. Okay, so once you add the ice, from behind is about 60 ml of tequila. Okay, so after you add your tequila, just fill it up with some orange juice. So now, to give the sunrise effect to the drink, we will be adding Grenadine. Grenadine is nothing but a pomegranate-based syrup which is used in cocktails to give it the red color. So Grenadine is responsible for the sunrise effect in the Tequila Sunrise. Just pour it on top. Let it settle. So once this drink is made, I'm going to garnish it with a simple apple berry. Because why not? There you have it guys, a simple tequila sunrise. You don't need a lot of ingredients for this, but it's a great and tasty drink. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.